Is it worth to repair this front mudguard? Oh wait, this is not broken. Let's break it. So now it's broken. Maybe we can repair it. It's quite dirty because it's from a used part. So need to clean a bit first. So most bikes cover set or body kit are made of plastic called ABS. Therefore I need to use a suitable or the same material to plastic weld this. So I'm just gonna use the same plastic type. Already comes in white. So let's do it. So you notice there's some spray painting here. So this is the original plastic. I need to sandpaper off this layer to give a good adhesion. Same for this side as well. I need to sand this off so that the plastic could adhere properly. So I need to take this first, temporary, while I weld the other side. Temporary. It's not very smooth. See the result. So this is the aftermath. I heated it up too close and it just melted. Didn't manage to do this because my heat gun melted. I think this attachment is not suitable for this type of heat gun. Probably I need to buy a professional one. But other than that, it seems solid. It seems solid as well, even though aesthetically it's not nice. Maybe you need to trim a bit. Trim a bit. Easy is when I just cut it off. But other than that, yeah, it's solid. Maybe you can just do behind and here use Bond oil and spray it again. So yeah, do tell me if this is worth or not. Maybe if the part is rare and it's very expensive, then it's worth it. Of course you need a couple more work to, Bond oil it and then paint it afterwards. But if it's cheap, just buy a new one. So here's the results. Yep, solid.